Hello, everyone. It's President Squash here on the Squashwoods Adventures YouTube page. Sorry for the delayed videos. I haven't done one for quite a while. It's been really busy this summer trying to get everything squared away. However, I did want to show you our honey harvest for this year. We got about a couple gallons here, plus I have a couple more in quart size. I got a few different designs that I put on these. So I got one with Secretary Lily, one with me, President Squash, one with Director Ash, and then lastly Chairman Salado. And then we got a little Bible verse on the back here. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. God bless.